Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme Neo 7X cannot receive calls. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration and click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then reinsert your SIM card and then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.